It's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and
Hey my day ones, welcome to my first day of Vlogmas. We have a realistic what I eat in a day because this is real realistic for me. Right now you can see me cleaning out the skillet and I'm boiling water to make me some tea. I love drinking tea in the morning. I'm not really a coffee person. I will drink coffee if I'm like craving it, but I love me some tea. And I'm going to be using spring water. I like spring water more than anything. I don't like tap water. I love spring water. I love Ozarka. I also love, is it Wakanda? Something. But I love spring water, so I'm going to be using spring water for my tea. Like I said, this is a realistic what I eat in a day, so y'all gonna see some ghetto shit, some rigged shit, hey, listen, this is on a budget. So you see me taking the water bottle, pouring it in the pot. Like I said, all that good water and nutrients. And I'm gonna place on the stove and I'm gonna turn my fire on. So while that's on the stove, I want to talk to you guys about Magic Mind. So Magic Mind has matcha in it. It also has L-thean. If I'm saying it wrong, just y'all, I'm country. It has L-thean in it for focus and attention. It has ashwagandha in it to relieve stress, which I do take ashwagandha pills daily as it is, as well as a little THC, you know. You see it says drink daily for a sharper mind. It has nootropics in it. It also has lion's mane in it, which boosts your clarity and focus as well. It's really meant to boost your energy, help you relax, and to stay focused on whatever task you are working on, and to also increase your mood and make you happy. It's also an appetite curver. I've been taking it for about a week. The first 3 days, I definitely did notice a change in my appetite, which I already honestly only eat maybe once or twice a day, but I have noticed that I've only been eating once. And normally I would put it in my drink, but today I took it as a shot by itself. With these uterus pills, I am doing the ovary and uterus cleanse because I do deal with PCOS and I don't have regular periods. So this Magic Mind shot has actually been helping with my health overall as well. Now you see me showing the teas that I'm drinking along with it, which is mint and cinnamon stick. Spiritually, cinnamon is good to take for spiritual cleansing, as well as bringing in prosperity and abundance into your home. Mint I use mint because, like I said, I have PCOS. And spearmint, any type of mint, raspberry leaf seed will help with the cramps on that. It helps me have a period. I don't know about nobody else. So, and mint also can be mint, eucalyptus, and lavender can also be used to calm you down. I do have a lot of anxiety. I'm having anxiety right now, actually. So, yes, I like to drink those two together. I didn't have any lemon tea. I hate it. But yeah, you're going to see me first of all, you're going to see me open these packs of tea like blunt wrappers. I don't know. I don't know why I'm showing it again. But you're going to see me put it in a cup, and I'm going to pour the water over it. Normally in my tea, I like to drink it with lemon juice and honey or agave. But I didn't have any lemon juice today or honey. So I just used sugar, which it wasn't bad, but I love my lemon and my honey. So yeah, you can see me opening the packets up. And there's my tea, and there's my matcha shot. And when I say a shot, y'all, it's literally a shot. Like, listen, if you can take a shot of Casa Fricajo or Mimi outside Hennessy, then you could take a shot to better your body and your mind. So don't forget to shop with Magic Mind. Use my code DAY20 for 20% off. Tell Magic Mind that I sent you, and let's go on this journey together. So for lunch and dinner, I ended up having this sunflower bacon crunch salad kit. I love this salad kit. This is actually like my first time. Well, you see me struggling, Lord have mercy. This is actually my first time like having a big old salad kit. And I normally don't even shop at Walmart. I shop at like Sprouts and like Tom Thumb. But Walmart was convenient. And so you see me just pouring the salad in there. It comes with sunflower seeds, bacon bits, and it has like this dressing that was like super, super sweet. And I loved every bit of it. I ended up eating it for dinner because, like I said, y'all, I really only eat once or twice a day. So once I ate that salad for lunch, I honestly only ate the rest for dinner because I knew I had to eat. I knew I was going to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and be hungry. So, yeah. It comes with 2 dressings because it is a family size bag. You see me taking the ingredients out. Those are the bacon bits that I'm showing y'all. And there's the sunflower seeds. I never knew that I would love sunflower seeds. I normally use sesame seeds, but sunflower seeds was a nice like touch. And now y'all see me chopping up some tomatoes. I had a tomato that was already cut up. So I just used the rest of that, and then y'all gonna see me show a whole nother tomato. And I use so much tomatoes because, like I said, I had a pretty big salad. So yeah, y'all just see me. Look, my cutting skills is not. I do what I can. You feel me? There go the other tomato right there, nice and juicy and red. Like I like shit. And yeah, see, I told y'all my cutting skills I'm so rough, y'all. Like I'm so rough and my hands are so small, but I'm so rough. And just showing y'all, yes, I do clean my cutting board after I cut. And there goes some onions that I had. See, rough as hell. Rough as hell. What did the onion do to me? But I love onions. I love a lot of onions. And when I say a lot of onions, I love a whole lot of onions. And I love onions in big chunky pieces. I do not like small onions at all. I do not like small onions. So you just see me chopping up the onions, putting it in there. I was gonna use my cucumber, but it had mold on it, so I had to throw it away. Now y'all see me adding my boiled eggs, y'all. So the boiled eggs is supposed to be the protein. Now listen, I am lactose. Y'all see me look rough as hell. Just rough as hell. But okay, y'all, I'm lactose, but I love boiled eggs in my salad. And I normally put like chicken or something, but listen, y'all see that cord? That lets y'all know I'm at work. I'm on calls. So I can't be sitting here trying to pan sear no chicken, thaw the chicken out or whatever. And I just felt like the eggs was enough protein. Besides the bacon bits, it was enough protein. I didn't need a whole lot because normally I go all out. I be putting avocado, cucumbers, pickles, chicken. Like, yeah, a real low vibrational salad. So I didn't do all of that. I just and that egg was ugly as hell. But yeah, I just chopped up my eggs, put them in there. And yeah, like that right there. Y'all see that damn steam coming up off the damn eggs though? Y'all gonna see me, look, y'all see me eating. And there I go. Fat ass girl. There I go, eating. There go the dressing I was telling y'all about. I don't know what the name of that dressing is, but it was so sweet and sticky and it was so good. Like, I love it. Normally I would use ranch and I would take my zesty Italian and mix it in there. But yeah, I loved that dressing. I loved it. There got a zesty Italian right there, and I take it and I mix it in there. I like the tanginess. I love like a tangy salad. So there I go, looking for the top. And I love to shake my salad too. There go the headset. Told y'all I was at work. Told y'all. Yep, I love taking it, shaking it up. I was supposed to season it before I did all of that. Rough as hell, there I go. But yes, I do season my salad like I season everything else because I'm black. So yeah, season it with some lemon pepper and some garlic powder. And then you're gonna see me put a little bit of Goya accent up in there. Whoever made Goya accent, anything Goya, that shit make anything taste good. And I seen it for $1 at Family Dollar because I stay across the street from Family Dollar. And I did not know, damn, heavy-handed. I did not know, there it go. I did not know that it tastes like that. I love that season. Look how heavy I am with the shit. And there go my salad. And like I said, this was all I ate that day. So I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We really doing this Vlogmas shit. We growing each and every day, day ones. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and hit me up on all social media. And I'ma see y'all in my next fucking video.